On the left navigation menu, click on the paintbrush icon, and then select Page Styling. In the Page Styling window, under Background Image, you will be able to select an image from your computer to add as a background for your web page. Click on the empty camera block to access your file manager, then click on the Upload a File button. Select the image you wish to use from your computer as a background for your web page. And then click on Open. Once an image is uploaded into your file manager, it can then be used anywhere on your website. Select the uploaded image inside the file manager and then click on Select. Your image will now be displayed as the background for your web page. Under Background Image Repeat, you will be able to change the repeated design of your new background image. Once you have made the necessary changes, click Confirm. To remove a background image from your web page, click on the dustbin icon. The background image will now be removed. To select a different color background for your web page, click on the background color circle. Choose a new background color for your web page. The global colors will be shown inside of the Color Settings window. The new color will be displayed as your web page background. Once you have made the background changes, click on Confirm.